In English ጎራ ላለው ወይም ብቅ ላለው ማለት ሲፈልጉ ምንድነው የምትሉት? I will come እሱም ያስኬዳል። ነገር ግን ዛሬ የተሻለ 3 ኤክስፕሬሽኖች ይዘን የመጣ ነው። አንደኛው drop by drop by በሴንቴንስ ስናየው I will drop by your office later. I will drop by your office later. በኋላ ቢሮ ብቅ እላለሁ ወይም ጎራ እላለሁ።
Yes, I will drop by later to check up on you.
Maybe I will drop by the ALOP office and see what I can dig up.
ሁለተኛው swing by ምን አልኩኝ? swing by. I will swing by later. በኋላ ብቅ እላለሁ።
Okay, I will swing by and get them.
I will swing by her dorm first thing in the morning.
ሶስተኛው stop by ምን አልኩኝ? stop by. I'll stop by the supermarket later or after work ከስራ በኋላ ወይም በኋላ ሱፐርማርኬት ጎራ እላለሁ። I will stop by the supermarket later.
I will stop by to see her tomorrow.
But I will stop by for a drink later.
እናንተም ጎራ የምትሉበትን ቦታ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ።